In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Tiles Direct discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Tiles Direct discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called retailmino.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some deals that we can use in order to get some discounts. So all we need to do right here is just select the deal that we want to get. And after that, simply tap on this button where it says get deal. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. All you need to do is tap right here where it says get reward, and you'll be redirected to the website where the promotion will be applied automatically. Also, we have right here this website which is called couponfollow.com. And right here on this website, you also have some promo codes, as you can see, that you can use for some discounts. So, for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with a free shipping on your order, all you need to do is tap right here where it says show coupon code. And here is the promo code right here that you can copy. And if you're going to apply this promo code on your next purchase, you'll get a free shipping. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.